Among the 5 battleground states, the battle for UP is most gripping and challenging. The first phase of the 7-phase UP elections is on Saturday, with 73 assembly constituencies going to the polls in 15 districts. Campaigning for the first phase ended at 5 p.m. on Thursday, 48 hours before the voting ends. The last day of campaigning saw political parties going all out to voters. While Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh campaigned for the BJP, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi and incumbent Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav canvassed support for their party candidates in Western UP. There are 839 candidates in the fray for 73 seats in the first phase, including 77 women. More than 2 crore 60 lakh voters are eligible to exercise their franchise. There are 1 crore 42 lakh male voters, while female voters number around 1 crore 17 lakh. Agra South has 26 candidates, the highest number, while Hastinapur has 6, which is the lowest count in the first phase. There will be a total of 26,823 polling booths operating on Saturday. The BSP and the BJP are contesting all the 73 seats. The SP is contesting 51, while its coalition partner, the Congress, is contesting 24 seats. In most seats, the contest will be quadrangular between the BJP, BSP, SP Congress alliance and the RLD. The Election Commission has made all arrangements for smooth polling. There will be special monitoring of sensitive and crowded places.
आयोग की जानकारी में स्पेसिफिक मामले आ रहे हैं और जहां पर भी हमारे आचार संहिता के नोटिस के तहत कार्रवाई की जा रही है और जहां पर भी ये स्थापित होगा कि ये हमारे कानूनों का उल्लंघन है, वहां पर कानूनी कार्रवाई भी क्रम में लाई जा रही है। और ये आने वाले दिनों में भी अगर इस प्रकार की बात स्थापित होती है कि आचार संहिता का उल्लंघन है, कानून का उल्लंघन है, आयोग कार्रवाई करेंगे।
Farmers' problems, law and order, unemployment, women's safety and demonetization are the major issues on which the elections are being fought. Potato and sugarcane farmers and their issues will be important in this phase. Jat community and minorities are likely to play a decisive role in swinging votes in western Uttar Pradesh. With all preparations in place for the first phase, all eyes are now on which way the political winds blow on polling day. Newsnight Desk, DD News.